can I get Silos here anyway? Yes, I can. Silo. Yeah. Silo. What are you? Ah, Matt. Hey guys, my Chris here, welcome back to more Slime Rancher. Why did I do that? I probably need you. You're a quantum pink. Your eyes glow like you're infected with something alien. I'm trying to think of a TV show scene where that becomes prominent. Okay, so right now I'm just exploring this area to try and find stuff. And not walk off the fucking edge like an idiot there. Ooh. Did I already? Yeah, I did. I don't think I can go any further unless it's like a slime door around here. You need a slime key. After any quantums eat. It is fruit, okay. So is the honey Gordo. I should do that one first. But I'm gonna keep looking around. Get these carrots as well. I want to explore everything. When I explore everything, you need to find more secrets. I love secrets in games. Add stuff. The quantum tabby right there. Yeah, this would be a good place for Gordos to be. What are you? Ah, map! Why can't I access this? Like in normal game mode? Okay. So... where am I? What is that? Oh, I can't access it. Shit. I didn't mean to close it. I need to get onto that platform there because there's something there that I need to do. Ah, door. Wonderful. And I hear the tar, but I can't do anything about them. So my strategy is to walk away from them apparently. I thought behind the door before I opened it. Well, the sound started second I opened it. And then... this be the way out. Which is where I wanted to be. Anyway. Need to go back. Why is there not a teleporter in the area where I find the quantum slimes? I wonder. Oh well, I need fruit, don't I? Yeah. I need to find any fruit around here. I do like consider myself extremely lucky. Yeah, I think there's just veggies around here. The only natural place I can find fruit is back on my ranch. And yes, I always say ranch that way. Just always say ranch. Why don't you go back? Maybe we can activate you or something? Okay. We need somewhere to keep you guys. Could I put... Just a thought, I do have 9 of them. 2 in the same. Is that possible? I think it fucking is. I just realized the problem with that one. Eventually, one of them is gonna eat everyone's shite. And then they're gonna become thingies. I don't want that. So... You saw that, right? You saw the other quantum here, right? I'm seeing shit. Game's getting to me. I think I'll put you guys here. You know what? You can hang out with the tabbies. I don't mind you hanging out with the tabbies. But only a few of you, not all of it. So if I feed the tabbies... What? It just went through the force field. You saw it, right? It went through the force field. Okay, I keep you guys contained somehow. I don't think you guys can go through the force field, which is... Never fucking mind. Okay, well now I got... You're messing my plans up. Where are you going? These quantums may have been a horrible idea. Okay, I'm gonna have to dispose of you. Believe me, I don't want to dispose of you. It's for the greater good. And so I don't lose everything on my ranch, because you guys can go around and eat shit whenever you want. Everything on my ranch. And I need this stuff on my ranch. Come here. Actually, can I get one of your claws? So I'm gonna feed you a hen here. Evidently not. Oh, I know, it's a cool little spiral in you. That's nice. I know that earlier. Okay, so I need to research how to keep these quantum slimes from getting out. I think I saw a video on it not too long ago. I think I entertain them with some kind of cube. Using the slime toy thing. And that's why it comes in handy. Everything in this game is handy to some extent. One way or another. Which is awesome. Now, do you rads eat meat? Yeah, tabbies, of course you do. You guys haven't eaten in a while. Either of you. I haven't harvested you yet. Search how the drills work. I mean, how shutter pods work, I mean. Just trying to figure out how to open them. I'll give you all of these. I'll give you that. I think I'm going to give the rest to my... Oh, you guys need to be fed. Do booms eat veggie? Oh, they're rocks, so they eat veggie as well. Ow. Ow. But I'm gonna give you guys berries. Now, do booms eat veggies? No, they eat meat. Just like the tabbies. Okay, let's try to eat before we feed them then. I'll feed them stony hens because I don't really get stony hens. I only feed you one though. Alright, time to collect poop. So we're gonna sell most of this. But I need all of it, I need money. Then we're gonna go check on the drills, see how they're getting on. Slime P is here, right? Yeah. Let's look up the quantum slimes. See what the thing he says about them. Quantum slimes. Fruit. Favorite fruit. Phase lemon. That makes a lot more sense. No, okay. Quantum slimes appear to have resulted from some sort of event that took place in the ancient ruins long ago. At all times, the quantum slime is capable of emitting other possible realities of their being. Oh, called ghosts. Yeah, that's what I saw then. Called ghosts. These other realities can come true, with the quantum slime aligning with reality of the ghost, effectively teleporting. Rancher risks. Quantum slimes can be one of the most difficult slimes to manage given their unique abilities. A rancher needs to learn to detect when quantum slimes are primed to take over the reality of a ghost and act quickly, such as feeding them or just splashing them with some fresh water as a temporary measure. Plautomatics. Quantum plorts are believed by many to hold the secret to infinite resources. Given the quantum slime's ability to change reality, it's theorized that unlocking the potential of quantum plorts could allow for a technology that converges the realities of other entities into our reality, and, well, basically we're talking about cloning stuff. Infinite energy chickens, whatever. Probably not harmful. Probably no harmful side effects to this at all. Okay, so I have to feed them or splash some water on them. That's my temporary measures. I think I'm gonna go with the feeding for now, because I need lots of fruit, which I just spent the rest of it on these bastards. I'll feed you the rest of these because I should have put them. And you guys. You got a lot of airports in here already. Getting upgraded. I can roll 30 exactly. Can I put slimes in the silo? That would really help. If I can put slimes in the silo, I'll have somewhere to put them until I know what the hell to do with them. Advanced pump! So I guess those things just come. It's up here in the place I can buy them. Which is understandable to a certain extent. I mean, yeah, I fed you. Boom. Okay, I'm holding the boom plants because I think I need them for something back at the research center, so I'm going to hold on to them until I get there. Oh, still everything else. Yeah, okay. Now, if I remember correctly, the slime toy thing, which I do know has something to do with quantum slimes, I don't know exactly what. I tried to remove its cube. Don't know what it does, just keep it contained, which will stop them from escaping, hopefully. Can I put you in here? No, I'm going back. Doesn't aim properly. No, I can't. Okay, right, that's second one. Great. I have nothing to do with it. Okay, so... Okay, the drills are done, which is great. Lots of jelly. Even more fucking jelly. So, yeah. Right. So what can I build? That's the drill, the pump. I have 11 jellystone. I can get partway to this. Oh, pink tails are probably more useful though, and I have changed diamond there already. I don't know where the hell hexcomb or deep brine is, or where the hell to get it. Yeah, booms for the pump. Okay, I'm gonna go to the pump because actually I'm gonna build two, so I put everything I have here. Because I think the pumps are how I get certain things like deep brine. Advanced pump I don't really need. For resources from wild bees, is that where I get hexcomb? We'll purchase that then. Oh, we'll store a jellystone here for now. So what else do we need for the pump? Tabbies and pinks. Easily acquirable. Let's go fucking do it. I think I have to use my ratchet at pink slime, pink floats. Advanced drill! Ooh, that's a more than one cycle. Ooh, that's pretty good. It's gonna cost like extremely hard to get stuff I don't have yet. I hope not. How did I miss you? I think a toy thing also prevents Stars from doing certain things, which I'm not gonna like. So hopefully the toy thing will stop them. I don't think it'll stop the booms from exploding, but if it delays their explosion, that's also great. Maybe they can time my shots. Alright. I got more than 10, but I only need 10, so we have extras left over for more stuff later. Which is good. And it was tabbies I needed. There should be some chickens around here somewhere. I think it's the pump that gets me the deep brine and stuff, because deep brine looks like a liquid kept in a jar, so that's the assumption I'm going on here. I don't know how many I need, as much as many as possible. There you go, 8 like earlier, you're not hungry anymore. Come back. How'd you get out? How are you guys getting out? Yeah, how the hell did you get out? I don't like rules being disobeyed on my ranch. I own it. Rules are obeyed and kept up to the highest standard. Okay, well, we're waiting until they're finished and support what we have so far. Tabby and pink needs 6 tabbies. I have 3, so I'm halfway there. I'll put slimes in there, see what happens. This music I've actually fallen in love with. I'm not eating chickens. I would say eat greens, but they're not green. I know exactly defeated 2. You bastards! Hey, someone here already. Hey, I got my quartz. Exactly what I needed. Now, does the pump work on water? That's the question. Because I think it's an earth thing that the rest of them work. Pump. Okay. So while that pump is doing whatever it does, I'm gonna check how much the slime toy thing cost. I think the Rubik's Cube is worth the quantum slimes, and I'll keep them from escaping. Rewards. 4,000, fuck. Okay. Blue slime lamp! Yeah, you do house the slimes. Huh. Oh, very cool, you know, never mind. Pink slime lamp, pink teleporter, blue slime lamp, blue teleporter. Where are these people coming from? They're very fucking wow. Well, you're every colour now, are you, huh? Ugh. Fine. Well, I guess teleporters would be good for different areas, like one for each area. I'd write in a post on my computer to find out where the fuck they go. Or else I'm gonna forget. I'm literally around collecting as many thoughts as I can to build up as much money as possible. So I can buy that toy thing this time. Because might as well buy that. It'll leave me some extra reward thing and other rewards. If I got more stuff on the way, that's a bonus. Probably better plots. Oh, it's cute the way they eat, but it's really, really malicious watching them do it. I'm gonna fucking die. Keep that shit up. Oh yeah, this you will hit me, so I'm not going in there. Trots, no, I need you. Just realised I fired them out of my thing. It was the water's path for. Let's definitely see this water and that water. Oh, I felt like I need to drop into one of them. But they're pretty much water, aren't they? Why is one deadly and the other one isn't? Okay, after you get the teleporter, I'm actually seeing the advantage of having teleporters everywhere. So, instead of drills and pumps and whatnot, actually, hang on. I probably need to teleport or something, don't I? Yeah. So, we're gonna do drills and pumps and teleporters and whatnot until I have enough money for fucking teleporters, each and every one of them. And they better give me 2 of the colour I asked for, because if not, I have to like get the teleporters to and fro separately. That's nearly one of the biggest piss takes I've ever heard in my entire fucking life. Pink teleporter. Deep brine, hexacomb, strange diamond, and pink plots. Hexacomb, deep brine, I never fucking get you, although I have theories of how. Strange diamond, I get you from drills, I haven't got one in a while. And pink plots, you're just as accessible as the. You're just as accessible as air, basically. So let's see. Set 2 teleporters that can set. There we go. There. Okay, so they're not doing the mistake. Right, good. Pink warp depot. The blue and grey ones now. Weather station, those might be useful, but I don't know where I'd put them to be effective. Well, they are, but I don't know where to put them. Alright. That was fast. Shit's on a deep brine. Nice. Oh, primary one. Never mind. Okay, well, those take primary oil. And buzzwax. I'm gonna put them inside for now. Right, well, I'm ending the episode here. If you guys enjoyed it, do leave a like, comment down below, subscribe. Well, I hope you guys enjoy. See you guys. And thank you so much for watching. That was a quick one. That pump. Might have to use that more often. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching. I wanna know how you work.